Bonjour.
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 Bonjour from Cannes, France. Cannes, France.
Yeah, this was our first stop on our journey to Rome. And here we are in Cannes this morning.
And what did we do?
Of course, we went shopping for more shirts, so we can't buy any more now.
I said we're gonna have to buy a new suitcase because we don't have enough room in the suitcase that we have. But maybe we'll just have to throw some clothes away or give them away or something.
Yeah, so you can see our ship in the background there. And it's been beautiful so far.
Cannes is a great little town. We walked down this street today that specializes in kind of local type clothing, and we found some really cool places, nice people. And we had been here many, many years ago. Beautiful town, great weather, so nice stop.
Yeah.
All right, back to the ship.
All right, see you there.